Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best Carpenter nail bags on the market, the AWP Carpenter Tool Rig with carry handles. If you're a carpenter, contractor, or DIY enthusiast, you know how crucial it is to have your tools organized and easily accessible. Let's explore what makes this tool rig a standout choice. At first glance, the AWP Carpenter Tool Rig is designed for durability and efficiency. Made from rugged 600 denier polyester, this tool belt is built to withstand the rigors of any job site. The reinforced seams ensure that it holds up under pressure, making it a reliable companion for all your projects. One of the standout features of this tool rig is its spacious storage capacity. With a total of 18 pockets and tool loops, you'll have plenty of room for all your essential tools and equipment. The tiered pockets are thoughtfully designed for easy access, allowing you to grab what you need without wasting time searching through clutter. Comfort is key when it comes to tool belts, and the AWP tool rig doesn't disappoint. It features a breathable, air mesh padded belt that fits waists up to 50 inches. This padded design not only provides comfort during long hours of work but also reduces fatigue, allowing you to focus on the task at hand. Plus, it comes with adjustable suspenders and D-rings for added support, ensuring a secure fit. Transporting your tools has never been easier, thanks to the built-in carry handles. Whether you're moving from job site to job site or simply storing your tools away, these handles make it convenient and hassle-free. This tool rig is perfect for contractors, technicians, handymen, electricians, and anyone who needs a reliable solution for tool organization. By keeping your tools within quick reach, you can work more efficiently and get the job done faster. In conclusion, the AWP Carpenter Tool Rig with carry handles is an exceptional tool belt that combines durability, comfort, and organization. Whether you're a professional or a DIYer, this rig can elevate your work experience and enhance your productivity. Thank you for joining us today on Product Critique. If you're looking for a tool belt that meets all your needs, the AWP Carpenter Tool Rig is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews and critiques. See you in the next video.